action.
Hi, my name is Landon. Today we're gonna make apple crisp. And we have a new co-host.
I'm a new co-host, and my name is Grampy.
So first, we need 4 apples. So what do we do? Pick 4 apples?
We got 4 apples ready.
1.
You can't eat them.
So 1 cup of sugar. I want sugar.
Right there's your sugar.
Oh, okay.
1 cup of light brown
I
sugar.
already did it. I want to take the sugar. Do we put it in there? I want to take the sugar. In there?
Let him do it.
Okay. No, Landon.
Yeah.
Pour it in here.
Okay, Landon. 1 cup of light brown sugar. Right here. This one, light brown. Chop, chop. Throw it in the pan. 1 teaspoon. Go ahead, let's go.
1 teaspoon.
Dad, don't eat those.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg. What's nutmeg? Nutmeg.
Don't ask me.
This.
You don't want me to do anything.
This? Okay, I'll use this.
No, you need a teaspoon. Oh, wow. How are we going to get that in there? You can't do it that way. Yeah, you're going to have to turn it around. Here. Okay, now, Juliana, 1/2 cup of flour. All right?
Yes.
There you go.
Dad, when you pour things in a mixer, you usually have to mix it.
Not loud.
I was going to do that at the end. Okay, we need 1 stick of butter. Where's the butter at? Oh, that's butter. It's my turn.
No, because Juliana did the flour.
Why didn't do anything?
Oh, so it's
You gotta turn this off.
No, you can just pour it in, Dad.
Then what do we do with these?
Okay, hold on
Leave them
here.
and pour that stuff in.
Sprinkle the
on top of
topping
it.
over the apple and spread it out evenly. Where's the topping? Oh no, I think they mean what's in there, I think. And cover the dish with 4 or for 30 minutes.
Chip.
We're not gonna have potato chips in it. Come on, let's go. I know what we're doing now. We gotta stop this. Hold on here. Now you turn it off.
It's a snapping for you, Grampy. You go like this. No!
Now we're off.
Like,
Okay.
It's when you just stop it. Look inside. Wait, we do?
Yeah. That's what you said to do.
Cook
Yeah, like that.
apple crisp.
Okay, guys. Now we have to. It says here at the cover the dish with foil. So we gotta get. Wait, let me sort it.
Hold on. You were just gonna cover it like that?
Well, it didn't say spread. So here we wrap that.
I'll get past there.
It's the bottom one, Dad. Dad, watch your fingers.
I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing.
Okay, now we gotta wait 30 minutes. So cook time. Okay, timer.
What are you doing?
No, do it again. Now you just did 3 hours.
Oh, wait a minute. Cancel.
Oh, now you just turned the oven off.
Cancel. I don't know. You do it. All right, so we're going to take a little break for about 30 minutes, and we'll be back with you to try it out. Cut.